In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sub-agent in Claude Code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from a blank session and end with an agent you can publish or reuse in your own projects. First, open your browser and search for Claude AI. This is the quickest way to land on the correct site if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results appear, look for the official Claude website. Double-check the URL so you know you're on the legitimate page before continuing. Once you're there, you'll be ready to sign in and access Claude Code. Next, click the option to continue with your Google account. This streamlines sign-in and gets you into your workspace fast. If your browser prompts you to choose an account or confirm permissions, go ahead and finish that flow. Once you're signed in, open or start a Claude Code session so you can work directly in the coding environment. With a Claude Code session active, type the /command /agents. This brings up the agent creation flow. Think of it as a guided setup that helps you define exactly what your sub-agent will do without needing to build everything from scratch. You'll see prompts that walk you through the essentials. Now, specify the kind of agent you want to build and what it should be able to do. Be clear and concrete. For example, explain the problem it should solve, the files or inputs it might use, and the type of output you expect. You may also be asked what the agent should focus on and how results should be presented, whether that's concise summaries, detailed step-by-step explanations, or structured data. You can start with a high-level description. Claude will draft the full system prompt and configuration for you. If anything looks off, refine your description and let Claude regenerate until it matches your intent. Clear goals, constraints, and formatting guidance will help your agent produce consistent results. When you're satisfied with the setup, you have two paths: publish the agent or copy the code. Publishing makes the agent available to use directly within your workspace, which is great for quick access and collaboration. Copying the code lets you drop the configuration into your own project, version it, and integrate it with your existing tooling. Choose the option that best fits how you plan to use the agent. And that's it. You searched for Claude AI, signed in, launched the agents flow, defined your agent's role and outputs, and then either published it or copied the configuration. Keep your description specific, and you'll get a reliable sub-agent tailored to your workflow.